Photoshop as we start the design. So this is Photoshop, and the first thing we'll do before we start any work is we'll create our new page, and then you can click Ctrl N to create your new page, and then the size we are going to use for this design is 6 by 6 inches. 6 by 6 inches, and your resolution should be 300 RGB color mode, and then you are good to go. So we click OK, then we start. Alright, this is our page, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'll draw a rectangle around the page, then fill in color. So I'll go to the rectangle fill, then I'll head up to the gradient view, and then click on this white part. Then I have to give it a color blue, should be a little bit light. Okay, I think this is okay, and then I'll fill the down part with the white color. Double click on that to fill with white color. Right, something like this type. Okay, something like this. You have to click on that blue part again, and then adjust some things there. Okay, I think this is okay. Then we hit on OK, and then I have to draw this part, this white part down a little. Okay, I think this is okay. And then I'll bring up a background. I'll bring up a background and bring this up. We are working on a laundry flyer, so laundry work, you must see water and all of those stuff, ironing of clothes and all of those stuff. So let me scale this up a little, draw it down. Okay, and then I have to blur this. Go to filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Okay, give it some blur, increase the pixels. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, and then I will head up to the opacity and then reduce the opacity to, I think, 7069. You'll be okay with that. So let me group these two, and then I'll have to save it as my background as BG. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do is I'll bring up the brand name. Okay, Perfect Touch Laundry. I'll copy it from here. Then head up to my text tool, pick up my text tool, and drop it here. Then now what I'll do, I'll just paste it. Okay, paste. This is what we're having. So we're going to scale this up a little. Let's zoom so that we can see. So we're going to scale this up. Okay. And then one thing I noticed, we are going to edit this. I don't want too much spacing between those letters here. Double click to select all, or you can use drag to select all, and then head up to your text property bar, and then you reduce the spacing to either -10. I'm using -100. If you do -100, you'll see -23. I think this is perfect for me. so I can increase a little again. So this is okay, and then I'm still selecting this part. Then I'll select the background, control to select the background, then you align to center. You can check your property by say align to center. You align to center. So where align to center, let me zoom out. Okay, this is what we're having. Take it up a little. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the laundry here. I'll delete the laundry. I will bring the laundry down. So perfect touch only. Click on control, hold your control while you select the background and then align to center. Then I will be able to scale this up a little. Scale it up. I think this is okay. Alright, and then I'll bring up the rest text beneath the perfect touch. Copy, head up to this part and then pick up the text tool. Then I'll paste it beneath the perfect touch. Okay, paste. Then the font I'll be using, or the typeface I'll be using for that will be Poppins. Yeah. And then I'll have to reduce that to either 12. Okay, 12 is okay. And then I'll make it bold. Alright. Make it bold. For visibility's sake, there are some things I'll do to the laundry service. Head up to your FX and then we're going to add a little drop shadow to that. Add a little drop shadow to that. Just reduce the opacity. Yeah, just reduce the opacity to 33. I'm using 33. You can use your own between 30. Yeah, you can use even to 30. The size I'm using for the drop shadow is 6. The size is 6. Then the distance is what, 6. Okay, hit on OK. Then the next thing we're going to do will be bringing the resources for the dry cleaning services. So I head up to my folder. I drop them. Then I'll bring them up. I'll bring this one, this washing machine. I'll bring that first to the side. Let me zoom out. You can see what I'm doing. And I'll have to reduce it a little. Okay. Let me reduce it a little. I think this is okay. Then I'll bring up the second one. The clothes, iron clothes. And I have to reduce that again. I think this is okay. Yeah, I think. Shift it to the side. I think it's okay this way. Then I'll bring the iron. Yes, I'll bring the iron. Then I'll have to reduce it again. I think the size is okay. Then I think I should rotate this. Go to your edit, transform, and then flip vertical, or let's just leave it this way. I think this is perfect. Okay, and then the next thing we are going to do, first of all, let me group the elements I'm using for the laundry service. Then I'll go Ctrl G to group. I'll name it my let me just say elements. Okay, and let me scale this up a little. I think this is okay. One thing I'm forgetting is I'll have to bring up something that have bubbles to the background. So I'll head up to my background, look for something that have bubbles. Look for something that have bubbles. Okay, I found. So I'll bring it to the background. No, I've already grouped the background, so I'll move it into, I'll move that into the group. That is the BG. I'll move it into that, and then I'll have to scale everything up. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just reduce the opacity to I'm using, I think 25 will be okay for me. 25 is okay for me. I like it that way. 25 is okay. You can see how we're moving gradually, and our design is getting set. So one thing I'll be doing to this iron is, if you should check the build part and you check the background, you see that the color are not going well at all. So what we are going to do now, I'll be releasing a special video for this, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just do something light, how to color grade, so that your color can fit into your background. If it's interesting, don't forget to leave a like, and then you subscribe and share also to your fellow designer. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you. So after color grading, if you check the color of the iron and the color of the background, you see that they are going well. Now, I don't want to make the video so that it will be long, so that's why I cut everything short. You see this shape here, as you can see, I went to my shape to side, I went to custom shape, click on custom shape, and then you have to look for the shape around here. I already have the shape, that's why you can see that shape here. Final look of our flyer. So if you find this interesting,